Hey guys, if you want to switch off your Samsung Galaxy A series devices without touching, or if your touch is not working, so there's a problem to not interact with this type of power off menu. Let me show you this type of power off menu. If you can touch on your screen or your screen is not responding to your touch, then you actually can touch on the power off menu, so you can just switch off your device. So there's a problem, so I'm going to show you how you can solve this type of problem. So you can just simply hold on your power button and the volume down button together at once, but make sure that you have connected with your charging cable. So make sure that your phone is on charging mode here, and from here you can see that my phone is on my charging mode. Now you can just hold on the power button and the volume down button at once. Now for example, I'm going to hold on this until I found this screen goes black and I got the, let me show you again, not from here. Here you can see I have just turned off, switch off my devices. You can just hold on it for 10 seconds, around 10 or 6 seconds, 6 to 10 seconds, and your phone will switch off with this Samsung branding logo, your phone branding logo, and you will find a Samsung logo. And actually it's now restarting here. This is actually for restarting, just because of I release my finger from this two button, and you can just hold on it, and that's how you can just simply switch off your device. Let me show you again. If I hold on this two button here and hold on this two button until you get this black screen and your phone goes black, all black, and here you can find that my phone is now on switched off and is on charging. That's why it's showing the charging here. As you can see, just like whenever your phone is switched off and you want to you connect with your charging plug, and the charging information, battery information is showed on your device. So that's how you can simply switch off your phone without touching the screen with only these two buttons here, the power button and volume down button. You have to hold on these two buttons together and it will switch off your phone. Now if you plug out your charging cable, then it is totally switched off. Now you can just hold on the power button again to switch your phone on. That's how you can just switch on your device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.